KWT-Z8L-50 is a 8-rotor firefighting drone. Its max wingspan is near 4 meters with strong and light carbon fiber for body, arms, and propellers. It can mount 3 kinds of payloads together, such as camera, extinguishing bombs, and speaker, with totally 50 kilograms payload for half an hour. Each extinguishing bomb is 20 kilograms filled with dry powder fire extinguishing agent or water, so totally 2 20 kilograms bombs together are okay to be mounted in the drone. Flight distance is more than 40 kilometers without payload normally. And the hovering time without payload is about 70 minutes, while carrying standard camera, it is about 60 minutes. It is great to use in plateau and forest. The explosion coverage area of each bomb can be up to 70 square meters. Besides, it can spray water at 70 m height, too, with hose connecting to fire truck. What's more, it can carry and throw supplies like water, food, and tool over mountains.